The single leg kick is a surprisingly tricky exercise from the Pilates method. Today we're going to discuss do's and don'ts to get the most out of your time on the mat. Today we will start lying down on our stomachs, and we're going to really split this exercise into two parts, what the upper body is doing and what the lower body is doing. So for the upper body, you're going to take the fists together, pressing them into one another. The pinky fingers are on the mat. You want to have these fists a bit farther away from you than you think, with a soft bend to the elbows. And then your legs are going to kick one at a time to the booty with this little double kick motion. So it's a little kick and kick. Seems really simple, right? So there's a few things that cause people trouble here. And the first one I want to talk about is with the upper body. People collapse a little bit in the upper body. They sort of lose their height, and they'll also tend to bring their hands too close to them. So you can see I've tucked my hands really close to my body. It brings my ears and my shoulders really close together, so I'm kind of smushed. You want to spread the hands out so you feel like you have a lot of space. You're not aiming to get the highest back bend. You almost want to feel like you're reaching forward through the chest, and you're gonna have this soft curve to the arms. So again, I'm not bending my elbows at a really deep angle. Again, that's gonna collapse my chest and bring my shoulders up to my ears. You're gonna have the fists farther away from you than the elbows. It's like if I placed a drop of water on your shoulder, it would roll smoothly all the way down to your wrist. Now let's talk a little bit about the action of the lower body, this kick action. So this is meant to engage the glutes and hamstrings and to stretch the thighs out a little bit. And you can see I'm kicking all the way into my booty on one, and then the second kick, it's not a separate kick, it's just a little pulse. And when we do this, we don't want our body to react. So you can see I'm exaggerating here. Yours won't look this dramatic, but you really want to hold the body completely still. So if I had just a curtain over your feet, I couldn't see them, I wouldn't know when your legs were kicking and when they were not. Your upper body's going to keep it a secret. And there's a little variation here I've learned with the kick to make it kind of fancy, where you flex the foot as it does the first kick and then point it for the second kick. And so it's a little coordination test. It also gets the feet and ankles involved, which is really nice. So if you've been doing this exercise for a long time and you want to shake it up, you can try this variation out. After this exercise, we rest our head down to the side and put our hands behind the back for the double leg kick, which we'll cover in the next video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that you got some tips and tricks that you can take into your practice today. If you want to work on this exercise and many others with me, you can join me for my live online mat classes, which I've linked in the description below. And if you want to see more videos like this one on the channel, please like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave me a comment down below letting me know what you'd like to see next. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on the mat.